Hi, I'm Mr. Kim, and today I will be showing you some examples of matter. We discussed this in chapter 1.5 of lecture, way beginning of semester, and so yeah, that's what I'm going to be showing you today for my chemistry project. So I made this little chart to show you guys to sort of distinguish between different types of matter, because matter is everywhere, but this sort of breaks it down into two types of matters. There is mixtures, if there is a variable composition, and there's pure substances if there is not a variable composition. And so I'm just going to show you some examples of each of these different types of mixtures and pure substances. So what if there was no variable composition? It would be a pure substance. And if there was not a or if there wasn't various types of atoms, it would be an element. And so an example of an element could be O2, oxygen. I can't really show you that tangibly, but we breathe that in every day, and it's all around us. So that would be an example of an element. And so you saw an example of an element. So what if there were various types of atoms? That would be a compound, and I'll show you some examples of that now. Examples of compounds, you can find them really anywhere in common household objects. You can find in a toothpaste a compound here. It could be like calcium carbonate or sodium fluoride, stuff like that. Now moving on to mixtures, if there is a variable composition, you would move over here to mixtures, yes. If there are visibly distinguishable parts, that would be a heterogeneous mixture, and I'll show you an example of that now. So a heterogeneous mixture could be this cup of water and ice. You can visibly distinguish, right? The ice in there, you can hear it as well, and then the water, and so you can just see those different parts in there, the solid and the liquid. Now for my last example here for homogeneous mixtures, and that would be if there are no visibly distinguishable parts, as you can see. So a homogeneous mixture could be milk. We have some milk in here, and this would be a homogeneous mixture because you cannot visibly distinguish the parts. It's one uniform liquid. You could probably imagine what it looks like inside, and yeah.